Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to film today. You don't even understand. Like, I'm sorry if I'm echoing as well, but I'm so excited to film because I haven't posted a video on my main channel in such a long time. I feel like I've been moving like crazy, and I'm finally settled down right now. I'm actually in my new beauty room as we speak right here. Sorry, the walls are yellow. Oh my gosh, they're yellow and it's gonna mess up the coloring of my video. But whatever, I'm gonna probably try a trick to try to not paint them but make them a different color. I guess we'll see if that works. I'll explain that in a different video. But yes, I'm so excited for this video. It's going to be my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. This right here would be probably my go-to Valentine's Day look if I were to personally go out myself, which I think I am. I don't know yet, but I think I am. But yeah, this is a super pretty look. At the end, I did pair it with a nude lip and with this lip right here, this red lip. I would prefer more of the red lip for a Valentine's Day look, but I know some people would prefer more of a nude, so I also included that as well at the end. I hope you guys like it. I am a lot more active on my Facebook page. I do lives every Tuesdays and Thursdays, so if you want more of me, then go check out my Facebook page. I will have that linked down below. But yeah, I'm so excited with how this look turned out. And little disclaimer, actually, I'm pretty sure I wore this exact like shirt combo in my last Valentine's Day look, which is pretty weird that I wore it again this time. But yeah, I'm really happy with how this look turned out, and I'm rambling right now. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
Hi guys! So we're just going to start off with a light moisturizer. I'm using the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. And then we're going to go in with the ColourPop Brow Pomade. I'm in the shade Bangin' Brunette, and we are just going to fill in these brows. I've been doing my brows a little differently recently. I've been filling them in and then cleaning them up on the outside with concealer. And I never used to do my eyebrows like in the beginning of my makeup routine, but I feel like it helps when I do my eyes and my brows first. It makes my makeup look so much better when I do my face last. So then we're going to go with the Tarte Shape Tape, like I said, and we're going to clean up the outside of these eyebrows. And then when I'm done cleaning up my eyebrows, I'm going to put the excess concealer on my lid to prime my eyelids. And then after that, I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques sponge and blending out the edges and making everything look like more blended into the skin and less harsh before I put through the rest of my face and stuff. I'm going to be taking my Fit Me loose powder and setting my eyelids so that way all of my eyeshadows that I put on top will blend in so much better. And then I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette, of course. Taking the shade MFEO as my transition shade. I'm just going to be blending this into my crease. Well, really above my crease because I have hooded eyelids. So, and if I put anything into my crease, I'm just never going to be able to see it. It's like it's not even there. So I have to blend above my crease to make it visible. And then taking the shade Pooter, I am going to be blending that into my crease as well, but a little bit lower just to deepen it up a little bit more to give my eye a little bit more depth. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Chip on a smaller, denser brush, and I'm just going to be blending that into my outer corner and just giving my eye a little bit more depth, just like the last step. And then I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape again, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. Today's look is a cut crease, well, kind of like a half cut crease, or technically like a 3/4 cut crease, I guess you'll see. But I'm just doing a cut crease today, and I thought this look came out so beautiful, guys. I really did. So this is literally how I do my cut creases. I just do concealer on the lid. That is all that I do. It's the easiest way for me to do cut creases. And then taking that shimmery shade called Obsessed, which really I am obsessed. It's one of my favorite shimmers from the palette. I'm just going to be setting that concealer with that shade and then going back in with the shade Chip, and I'm just going to be blending in the harsh edge on the end from the concealer, and I'm going to be blending that in so it all looks seamless, flawless, and beautiful. Then taking that brown shade, it's a darker brown, called Central Park. I'm just going to be taking that just to deepen my very, very, very outer corner just a little bit more than it was. And yeah, and then I take my big fluffy brush with all my transition shades and I kind of blend out all the edges and just make everything look a little bit more flawless. Then going in with my NYX matte liquid liner, which is my all-time favorite eyeliner, literally of all time. I am going to just make a wing, you know, simple wing. Then to complete this eye look, I'm taking my all-time favorite lashes, literally of all time. Like, they are so beautiful, so amazing. They are the Allure X Vegas Nay Bronze Beauty Lashes with my Kiss brush on lash adhesive. And I'm just going to be applying them with some tweezers. And since I've worn them a couple times, I go back in with a black liner to cover up the lash band in case there's extra residue or anything on there. And then taking my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational, I am just going to tap where my eyelashes are underneath my lashes just to kind of blend them in with my lashes, but I don't brush them all the way through. Then taking my NYX Angel Veil Primer, I love this primer so much. I'm just going to be putting it on my face and then blending it in. Now going in with the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation with the LA Girl White Foundation mixed in because all my foundations don't match me for some reason. I'm just so pale for them all. I'm using the Real Technique sponge to blend that in. And then I always make sure that I go down my neck because I want everything to look flawless. And I'm just showing you how flawless my skin actually looks. This foundation is amazing. And then going back in with my Tarte Shape Tape, I'm just going to be highlighting the high points of my face and concealing my under eyes, and then blending that in again with the Real Technique sponge. Going back in with my Fit Me loose powder, I'm going to be taking this dry wedge sponge and I'm just going to be setting my under eyes, my nose, my forehead, my chin, all the places I put the concealer. And then dusting off the powder with a brush and just using the excess to set the rest of my face. Using the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder, I'm just going to be taking this Jumbo Kabuki Fan Brush by Crown, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my face. This bronzer is so good, guys, and it's like $4. It is so inexpensive, and it comes with so much product. I freaking love this bronzer. And then I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm taking this lighter cool toned contour shade, and I'm just going to be contouring my cheekbones as well. Now I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Blush in the shade Natural Glow, and I'm just going to be applying the blush to my cheekbones, and yeah. And then taking the Smashbox Spotlight palette in Pearl. Oh my god, I love this palette so much. It gives you like the most beautiful glow, and it doesn't look disgusting on your skin. I just freaking love this. I just mixed all the shades together and then I just apply it, but oh my gosh, I've been so obsessed with this highlight lately. I forgot to finish my eyes, so we're going to be going back in with the two first transition shades we used, and I'm just going to be lightly dusting this over my lower lash line because I didn't want anything too dramatic, but I wanted a little something down there because I wanted my eye to look a little bit more girly and flirty and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Little Valentine's Day girly flirtiness. Now I'm just taking a white pencil eyeliner and just putting that in my waterline because I like more of a white waterline because it opens up your eyes more. And now I'm just going to be taking the same contour shade and contouring my nose. I use the harsh edges to put the lines of contour on my nose, and then I use the flat side of the brush to blend it all out. And then going back in with the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the two highlight shades. I'm highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. And then I'm going to be taking the Essence Make Me Brow and setting my eyebrows so they stay in place all day long. And then using the Cover FX spray, the illuminating one, I'm just going to be setting my entire face so we have a nice glowy finish. And then using my ColourPop Lippy Pencil Primer, I'm going to be priming my lips for the Spoiled Lips Liquid Lippy in the shade Perfect Nude. I love these liquid lippies. They take a little bit, they take about 2 layers to build up the pigmentation for some shades, but they feel like absolutely nothing on your lips, guys. They do not budge all day long, and they feel like nothing. They are so amazing. And if you want to get your hands on some, I'll have a link down below, and you can use code JordanAshley for 15% off your purchase. So this is the nude lip I paired with this look, but I also paired a red lip, which I'm going to be using the shade ColourPop's Ariba. I freaking love this red shade so much, and this is more of the shade that I would use for this look in particular, because I would want to be more bold with a red lip, but I also love the nude lip. So this is the look with the red lip. I love the way this look turned out, guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe, and I love you guys. Bye.